This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Play, search for Chessmint, and tap Install. The download is about 50 MB, so use Wi-Fi if possible. The app requires Android 8, 0 or higher, and a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection to sync game state. After installation, open the app and create an account with your email and a strong password. You can optionally connect a MetaMask mobile wallet to enable token transactions and NFT minting during play. Tap Play to choose a mode: casual, ranked, or tournament. Set time controls such as 5+0 or 3+2, and choose a token stake amount in ETH or the platform token. When a match finishes, you can tap Mint Game to create an NFT of the completed game and list it on the in-app marketplace. Confirm blockchain transactions through MetaMask. Note that transactions may require gas fees that often range from to 0. Protect your account by writing down your 12-word seed phrase for any connected wallet and store that phrase offline in a safe place. Never share it. Periodically audit and revoke old approvals in MetaMask to prevent unwanted token spending, and check allowances before confirming transactions. Keep Chessmint updated through Google Play. Use strong, unique passwords, enable device screen lock, and clear cache data if performance slows. These steps reduce risk and keep your games and assets secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.